to my vlog. Thank you. Hi. Ayan guys, yung mga kasama namin.
No.
Oh. Ano sila? Wala pa? Hindi parating na. 13 ba? Parating na. 13. Ay, 13. Come to one. Hi. Kamusta namin? Yeah. Welcome to my vlog.
Grabe ang init yun. Oh my God.
Did you guys speak Cantonese?
No.
Only basic.
Sipana. Sipana. Umpoy. Ganun lang.
識唔識講廣東話 ？No. And if you guys go to restaurant, you have touch before first. There are two buttons. Before you use, you press before, and then after you use, you press
Again.
after.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after.
Okay.
And don't use too much toilet paper.
What?
Toilet paper.
Okay.
You can use normally, like normally. Not too much, okay?
Okay.
Because the toilet is very easy to get stuck.
True.
So be careful.
Okay.
And be careful, the step is slippery. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Safe is the most important, okay?
Ayop. Yeah, thank
Be careful.
you. Yeah, noted.
We're going to Palawan, guys.
Yun ang mga tour guide daw.
That's your country.
Walang slide.
Okay.
Kita tanan diri or
Walang slide.
Why ligid?
Why it's not balanced?
Why ligid di? Pasmuhan.
Yes guys, we're ano. Ano ay bitaw.
Dawa na di na jud ka backing ron. Makasaka daw dito basta mulangoy padong dito. Para sa ano ba? Sugdi naglangoy yun.
你行到我船頭攞條繩啊，轉緊圈啊架船。Okay, one by one.
Okay.
One by one, because this one is not balanced.
Another one.
One by
Yeah, it's okay. Just
Okay.
be careful.
Careful. Okay, wag para pa may forever.
Careful, be careful.
Thank you. Yan guys, we're here na. Saya. Uy! Ayan. Uy, may meron palang ano para safe, no? Yes.
Bakit?
Ayan yung...
Ayan, guys. Here, there's no aircon.
Sure. Dito yung mga gamit na pwede namin ilagay. Yan, ilalagay dito. May fan naman dito. Walang aircon. Ito yung next, second floor. Ayan, may pangalaro. Tapos ito yung third floor. Entertainment, room. Nice. Tapos ito yung labas. Yan, guys. In-invite lang pala ako, Yung ito yung yak na free ako kasi ako yung kinuha photographer at saka videographer nila. Yan. Marami kaming Pinay. Pero mayroong mga Nepalese. Yung parang may party sila. Yan. It's my honor na na isa ko sa kinuha nila. Yan. Kasi ang dito, pag sumakay ka dito sa yak, mga 280 or 3 to 300 Hong Kong dollars. Ngayon free kami. Diba? Kaya keep on watching!
Salamat malamig. Bukol! Angkol! Kolho! Catch like a night! Seryo! Grabihan ng malabang. Sa may mga anak ko. Seryo na habulan dahil. Paano lang yun kayo? Inulan yun ang kung may pantaya. Patawa na! Ayaw mo! Wala kayo ng angarala sa picture!
Yung mga Diyosa. Iba na kita. Nag-practice na siya, oh.
Anong ilalagay dyan?